Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang with another topic in a series of free online videos you can find at disciplinedtradingstrategies.com on the free stuff page. This topic is what is day trading, and this is one of a series of free educational videos that you can find. This video is in a section called For Newbies. This is a more basic video, but it has great information even for people who have been trading for quite a while. If you like this video, be sure to check out the other variety of videos and free information on the DTS website on the free stuff page. Also be sure and attend an event that is done every 6 weeks for students who sign up for the actual seminars. They start with a half-day class on Friday called Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis, and I invite everyone to attend that class. It's great information and covers topics that are not taught anywhere else. Also make sure that you become a DTS member if you're not already. Besides visiting the free stuff page that anyone can do, being a DTS member gets you invites to special events and educational emails. If you go to the DTS homepage, you'll see where you can become a member. It just takes 6 seconds, no credit card. You don't even have to give your real name if you don't want to. In another video, we talked about time frames, and I want to just review that because this is going to be about day trading specifically. So different time frames that traders are involved in are long-term investing, we talked about. You might want to call that core trading, kind of touching on the longest term investing, swing trading, holding for a few days. And then day trading, by definition, day trading means you're holding a position only for the day. You're exiting at the end of the day so that there is no overnight hold and therefore there's no overnight risk. But also keep in mind there's no overnight opportunity. Actually, the majority of major movements in stocks actually occur on the overnight gap ups. Most of the gains over the last 10 years have occurred from holding overnight. But nevertheless, there is still a category called day trading that many traders want to utilize. There are advantages to day trading that I will discuss in this video. Note that as a day trader, you may decide to hold things overnight. You can do that. That's kind of what we call hit and run swing trading, where you're getting an intraday entry and then holding for a day or two. I think this is the best type of swing trading. Swing trading is very difficult to do if you're using daily charts and working a full-time job. You can read about that on the other video on the website. Beware of these two time frames. It also talks about scalping, which is a slightly undefined term. There's nothing wrong with scalping if you understand how to do it properly. What chart is this? Well, it could be a daily chart that is getting a move from here up to here over several weeks. And whatever share size you had invested in that, you'd be making money over that period of time. But it also could be an intraday chart. It could be a chart that's lasting only 3 or 4 hours. And you can also make money by holding for this 2-hour period of time. And amazingly, because things are proportional, by utilizing a stop in here somewhere and taking this gain, you could actually make similar money that you would to holding longer term in a much shorter period of time. It involves holding higher share size, but that is more plausible to do because the overnight risk has been removed. We can always exit a day trade whenever we want to. Here's a 15-minute chart that represents about 3 days worth of trading. These are the types of tools that we use as a day trader. Charts like this, where we can come in here and capture a trend once it's in place and make money by shorting a stock in this particular case, or on the last chart by going long. The day trading concept. Let's review the numbers real quick so you have an understanding of what it is. A lot of day trading is misunderstood. Nothing really changes except everything is kind of on fast forward. Since there is no overnight hold, a larger position can be more safely established. Stocks that have a good year and end up 10% higher may actually gain and lose more than 10% many times over that year. When day trading, we see many stocks moving 10% in a single day. Let's take an example of what may happen here. If you're an investor, you find a $20 stock you think is going higher, you have a $40,000 account. As a day trader, you find a $20 stock you think is going higher, you have a $40,000 account. How would the two trades compare? Well, as a long-term swing or longer-term trader, the time frame you're looking at is going to be a daily chart. Let's say that you enter a position at $20 expecting it to move higher. You're going to put a stop loss in at $19, giving it $1 the opposite direction. And let's say you're going to take a mild profit of $1.25. That would give you a 400 share lot if you're going to risk $400. 400 shares times $20 times 2-for-1 margin that you get means that you'd be using $4,000 worth of your buying power. Now keep in mind, I'm just using $400 as a risk amount. That doesn't mean it's what you should be at or what you should start off with or what you should end up at. I'm just using this for an example. So stock moves $1.25, let's say in 30 days. That's a 6.2% move. That's a pretty good move. And you would profit $500, which would come out to be at about an 18% APR. As a day trader, we're going to be on a 5-minute chart, let's say in this example, and our entry stop target is going to be enter at $20, giving only 20 cents worth of room and looking for a 25-cent move. That same reward to risk overall. We're going to take a 2,000 share size, which is going to be a total risk of $400. Note the risk amount is the same in both of these. Note that the share size is 5 times bigger, but note we're only going to need 2.5 times more money, because as a day trader you get 4 times your buying power for a normal day trading account rather than 2 times your buying power for a longer term account. Stock moves 25 cents in 2 hours, a very realistic move, 1.25% move. You profit $500, but you did this in a couple of hours rather than 30 days. Now, naturally, you can lose money as fast, and that's what many traders do because they don't understand what they're doing. But if you understand what you're doing and you can control your emotions, day trading can present great opportunities. It's no magic, nothing confusing, nothing fancy. Some misconceptions about day trading. Some people picture day traders with IV bottles in their arm and they can't get up or out of their chair for hours. Some imagine a fast-paced job where reflexes and speed or fancy equipment are all the key tools. This does not have to be the case at all. As a matter of fact, I don't like that type of trading whatsoever. There are various styles of trading and there are various time frames that you can be looking at, but day trading can be as simple as this. Sleep until 9 o'clock in the morning, get up and get some coffee, take a walk, pull up at the desk at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, enter a trade, go to lunch, peak your trade after lunch, move a stop if you need to, hit some golf balls, come home and see what you have at 4 o'clock. Review the trade, do a little homework, and get ready for tomorrow. There are various styles of day trading, and some of the more hyperactive ones I don't really advocate and don't think they often work out for people. There's nothing wrong with some of the faster styles. Some people can be on a 1-minute chart. Some people can be on a 15-minute chart. You can be on a 60-minute chart. But the point is that oftentimes stocks have large moves throughout the day, and you can capture the entire day's move without having that overnight risk. You also may find that it's best to not be sitting there staring at your trade throughout the day. There is a lot of information that can be discussed about day trading, and the purpose of the video in this particular section is to give you a quick overview and see if it sparks your interest. So if you are interested, there are several more videos that go into much more detail about day trading. If you go to the Free Stuff page and look in the prior events, there are full hour-long discussions. Day Trading A to Z, Day Trading Part 2, A Disciplined Approach to Day Trading, Trading Stats for April. These are 4 videos that discuss the day trading concept. If you go to the Free Stuff page, you can find them sorted by the date, which is right here. On the Free Stuff page, all of these will be under the prior events section, and the newest videos are at the end. You can also go to the DTS YouTube page, and in the same section, prior events, except all the newer videos are in the front. You can sort by date and find each one of these. Don't forget to make sure to visit the Free Stuff page and get all this information, and also don't hesitate to email if you want more information. I am simply Paul at disciplinedtradingstrategies.com. That's PAUL at disciplinedtradingstrategies.com. You can also go to the website and go to the contact form if you prefer using that. Check out some of the other videos, and until next time, this is Paul from DTS. Good trading.